Hello students, this video lecture is for class 7, lesson 2, subject science, lesson name nutrition in animals, and this is your part 2nd of lesson 2nd video. And in the last video we have learned till nutrition in animals and types of nutrition: holozoic, parasitic and saprotrophic. Now we will continue from here. Holozoic nutrition and try to learn what is this. So let's start. The word holozoic is derived from two words: holos, which means whole, and zoikos means animals. The mode of nutrition in which solid particles of food are taken in is called holozoic mode of nutrition. Most animals, including human beings, take solid food into their body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is then broken down, digested into simpler substances which are finally absorbed into the cells of the body. The undigested and unabsorbed part of the food is thrown out of the body by the process of digestion. The human beings and most animals such as cat, cattle, dog, fish, amoeba, etc. have holozoic mode of nutrition. So in this paragraph what they are trying to tell us that in holozoic mode of nutrition, animals take solid food through the process of ingestion, then they broke down or digest that food into simpler substances which are finally absorbed by the cells of the body, and later undigested and unabsorbed part of food is thrown out of the body by the process of digestion. Now let's and few examples are such as cat, dog, fish, amoeba, etc. Now let's see nutrition in amoeba. Amoebae make up one of the simplest group of protozoans. Although some amoebae are visible to the unaided eye, most are microscopic. The amoeba moves slowly in a moist environment by extending its cell membrane and cytoplasm. This extension is called pseudopodium or false foot. When the pseudopodium is fully extended, it pulls the amoeba along with it. So, as we know, amoeba is a protozoa which is microscopic in nature, which means we cannot see it through the naked eye, and it also doesn't have a definite shape. It keeps its shape changing, and in this figure, as you can see, these two hands like structure, these are called pseudopodium or false foot. These pseudopodium are extended and the whole amoeba moves along with it. Now actually we have to discuss about nutrition, so let's move to that part. Nutrition in amoeba. Unicellular animals like amoeba feed on microscopic plants and animals. All the process of nutrition are performed by its single cell. These are: first part, ingestion. The amoeba uses its pseudopodia to ingest food. As it nears a small piece of food, it extends its pseudopodium and surrounds the food, forming a cup-like structure as shown in the figure 2.2, like this. The cup-like structure forms a food vacuole in the cell. This way food is taken inside the cell. This method is called phagocytosis. So in ingestion part, amoeba uses its pseudopodia, as you can see here in the figure. It makes a cup-like structure around food and then later makes food vacuole around the food, and in this way the food is taken inside the cell of amoeba, and later for the digestion part. So let's move to the digestion. The food vacuole releases special digestive chemicals called enzymes to break down captured food into small and soluble molecules. Thus digestion takes place inside the food vacuole. So when the food is taken inside the food vacuole, then food vacuole releases special digestive chemicals also known as enzymes. What these enzymes do, they break down the captured food into small and soluble molecules. Thus digestion takes place inside the food vacuole. So this is enough for today's video. Next we will be heading towards absorption in the next video. Thank you.